I have a quote that says evolutionists are people who don't think how can evolution be possible. That's the only way you can be evolutionist, is to not think how can evolution be possible. And it's not just that. Evolutionists are people who just don't think at all. Look, this guy right here. Creationists believe that the world was populated from one single incestuous family. Yeah, that's true. Through Noah's, and before that, Adam and Eve. Nothing wrong with that. DNA was not concentrated. The reason these people are so robotic, so robotic is because, for example, right now, incest, like, you know, very close related uh, people cannot cannot involve themselves in having kids, things like that, because it can cause problems. That's scientific. It's not because it's immorally wrong. It's because it can cause problems. And 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 the same people who's criticizing Bible about incest, the same people believe in common ancestor. This is evolution. They don't think. If you believe in common ancestor, you believe in incest. I mean, if you believe in common ancestor, you believe in incest. This is what the reason evolutionists are people who are known for not thinking at all. You criticize Bible about incest, but at the same time you believe in incest. You believe in evolution. You believe in common ancestor. If you believe in common ancestor, we all came from incest, and we still are. All relationship, according to evolution, all relationship is incestuous. Guys have to start thinking. I mean, if you start thinking, you'll stop being evolutionist. If you start thinking, you'll know that life has to be complete from the start. Life cannot be also on transition. It dies if it does that. Life cannot be on transition. Life depends on two things to exist and survive: being complete at all time, including from the start, and unchanging. It cannot change. That's why we find everything complete. It's because life cannot change. Life has to be complete, like Genesis teaches. Incest was fine until DNA became concentrated. God prohibited incest 4,000 years ago before science did. This is one more time Bible showing great knowledge. This case about DNA. God prohibited DNA when it became concentrated. Some people ask, like, what concentrate mean? Concentrate means, for example, I have 12 and I give one for each person. It becomes concentrated, and you use that. Each of those 11 people use one, their one, to multiply. It becomes more concentrated, more you are multiplying the same thing. That's why DNA. That's why right now incest causes problem, because using the same thing to multiply. And this guy, like, he asked that question, like, what does concentrated DNA means? It means, for example, I have 12, I give you one, and to 10 more, I give one each. Now 11 people have one each. People evolutionists, the only thing, the cure for evolutionists to stop being evolutionists is to think. Simple as that. Think, how can evolution be possible? If you do that, you become an ex evolutionist.